In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist an IP address in Microsoft Defender. If you need to allow traffic from a specific IP address through Windows security settings, this process is done through Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. The key idea here is that you're creating a custom rule so a chosen IP address is allowed to communicate with your device. Depending on what you're trying to permit, you can apply this to incoming traffic or outgoing traffic. To begin, press Windows and S on your keyboard to open Search. In the search bar, type Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security and then open the application from the results. This tool gives you more advanced control than the basic firewall settings, which is why it's the right place for this setup. Once the window opens, look to the left-hand side and click Inbound Rules if you want to allow connections coming into your computer. If instead you need to allow traffic leaving your computer to a specific destination, choose Outbound Rules. Make sure you select the option that matches your goal before moving on. Next, go to the right-hand pane and click New Rule. This opens the rule creation wizard. When prompted to choose the rule type, select Custom, then click Next. Choosing Custom is important because it gives you the flexibility to define exactly which IP address should be allowed. Continue through the wizard by clicking Next until you reach the page labeled Scope. This section lets you control which IP addresses the rule applies to. Under Remote IP Addresses, select these IP addresses and then click Add. A small window will appear where you can enter the IP address you want to whitelist. Type in the IP address carefully, then click OK to confirm. It's a good idea to double check the address before continuing, since even a small typo could cause the rule to apply incorrectly. After that, continue through the rest of the wizard. When you reach the action step, choose Allow the Connection. This tells Microsoft Defender Firewall to permit traffic that matches the rule you've just configured. Keep clicking Next through the remaining pages, and when everything looks correct, click Finish to save the rule. Once the rule is created, the IP address is effectively whitelisted based on the direction and settings you selected. If needed, you can always return to the firewall rules list later to edit, disable, or remove the rule. And that's how to whitelist an IP address in Microsoft Defender.